New Rentview rollouts and feature improvements. On the rents dashboard, rent outstanding will now accumulate based on how much is owed in total. So if the tenant owes rent for April and May, the total amount will now be displayed on the dashboard. Another feature improvement includes automatically calculating your management fee when adding a property, starting a lease or renewing a property. So go to Agency Config and set your base rate, which is the percentage you're charging per month, as a percentage, and the VAT amount, if VAT registered, will be added below. So we're already set at 23%. Click Save. So now when adding and starting a new lease, enter the rent amount, and below in the management fee area you'll see the percentage plus the VAT calculated. Now if a certain landlord is getting a deal below your normal base rate, just enter this amount. Remember, this amount entered is including VAT if VAT registered. Feature rollout. So when recording a rent as received, we now record how you received this rent. So whether that be in cash, cheque or bank transfer. You can also add a payment note or reference number, which will be displayed on the system. So this is going to be really important to keep in line with client account laws, and your accountant is going to be really needing this information. So here we can see it's cash and a reference number. So this is also the same with the landlord statement. When paying your landlords, you can record how you paid the funds. So whether, once again, that be in cash, cheque or transfer. And here you can also add a reference note and press Save. So this reference note is viewable on the statement over the paid details. So we can see how it was paid and a reference point, which is going to be important for your accountant. And lastly, you can now add additional notes to your landlords and tenants. So to do this, click on a landlord. Click Edit. Below you can see a landlord reference number, which can be whichever your office need that to be. And you can also add a note relating to this landlord. Once this information is entered, click Save. These notes and reference numbers are now viewable on the landlord overview page, and this is also the same case for a tenant. These details are only viewable by your office.